Did you know that just 2-3 simple additions to your plain water can quietly transform your skin? We're talking about reducing acne, wrinkles, and sagging naturally even if you're over 60. Sounds unbelievable? But science says it's completely possible. Most of us assume acne is just a youthful problem, and wrinkles or sagging only come with age. But the real reason is often hidden nutrient deficiencies and collagen loss that quietly accumulate in your body over the years. Think about it. Every year, your skin cells slowly weaken because they aren't getting the nutrients they need to repair and regenerate. Collagen, the protein that gives your skin firmness and elasticity, starts slowing down naturally around 25, and by 50, it drops dramatically. That's why acne scars heal slowly, fine lines deepen, sagging skin appears, and hair becomes thin and brittle. The good news, with a simple science-backed routine, you can reverse this process. You don't need expensive creams, chemical treatments, or invasive procedures. Just small, consistent changes can support your skin from within and give your hair and nails a natural boost. Now let's dive into those secret water enhancers that can naturally repair your skin and improve acne, wrinkles, and sagging. Step 1. Smart hydration with collagen-supporting nutrients. Drinking plain water is important, but it only provides hydration, not nourishment. Your skin is actually the last organ to receive hydration. Your brain, heart, and liver take it first. So even if you're drinking water, slight dehydration still affects your skin. That's why strategic hydration is essential. It sends a clear signal to your skin to repair, rebuild, and rejuvenate. As Dr. Mason, who has treated skin and hair issues in seniors for over 25 years, says, many patients underestimate the power of hydration and nutrition. When we add targeted nutrients like vitamin C, amino acids, and antioxidants, the results are immediately noticeable. First enhancer, lemon plus collagen peptides. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, which is essential for activating collagen production. Collagen peptides provide small amino acid chains that your body can easily absorb. How to use it? Mix 1 scoop of collagen peptides and fresh lemon juice into warm water in the morning. Optional. Add a tiny pinch of Himalayan salt. This combination helps increase skin thickness and elasticity, reduce fine lines, heal acne scars, and naturally strengthen your hair and nails. It's simple, effective, and totally safe. Second enhancer, aloe vera water. Aloe vera is like an internal moisturizer. It hydrates both your skin and gut. Rich in vitamins A, C, E, plant sterols, and enzymes, it boosts collagen and hyaluronic acid production, reduces oxidative stress, and improves nutrient absorption. Mix 1 tablespoon of pure aloe gel in room temperature water around midday. Bonus, it helps stabilize blood sugar, which indirectly supports collagen and overall skin repair. Third enhancer, silica water. Silica is a trace mineral essential for collagen cross-linking and strengthening connective tissues. You can get it from mineral water, bamboo shoots, herbs, or water infusions. The ideal time to drink it is afternoon or early evening. Research shows that for women over 50, silica improves dermal density, elasticity, and reduces sagging. It works quietly. You won't see overnight miracles, but with consistent use over weeks, your skin naturally feels firmer, smoother, and more youthful. Acne and fine lines start to fade too. Optional hair booster, black sesame seeds. Just 2 teaspoons at night can help seniors with thin, brittle hair. Rich in calcium, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants, they nourish hair follicles, improve scalp circulation, and reactivate the hair growth cycle. Dr. Mason shared a case of a 64-year-old patient. After 3 months of taking 2 teaspoons nightly, her hair became visibly thicker, stronger, and shiny, simple, safe, and chemical-free. Now let's talk about 3-day challenge. Day 1, lemon plus collagen peptides, morning warm water mix for repair and rebuild. Day 2, aloe vera water, midday hydration and internal moisturizing, boosting collagen and hyaluronic acid. Day 3, silica water plus optional. Black sesame seeds, afternoon silica water for skin elasticity, night seeds for hair nourishment. Take a selfie before and after each day and notice subtle improvements. This affordable, chemical-free routine nourishes your skin, hair, and nails naturally. Imagine a simple, science-backed routine that firms your skin, reduces fine lines, strengthens hair, and boosts your energy and vitality, all without harsh chemicals or treatments. This is an inside-out transformation, visible and real. If you're tired of acne, wrinkles, sagging, or thin hair, try this routine and watch a visible transformation unfold. Like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned with Clinical Discovery. We keep bringing you simple, science-backed secrets that naturally enhance your beauty and vitality.